Welcome to channel Maths by Meenakshi. Today I will teach you class 9th Maths chapter 2 polynomials exercise 2.2. First question is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. Now first part is you can write the polynomial as px means polynomial in variable x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now you will put these values. In first part you will put the value of x is 0 and in second part you will put the value of x is minus 1 and in third part put the value of x is 2. Now firstly when we have to find p0, then x is replaced by 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0 means 0 minus 0 square 0, 0 into 4 means 0 plus 3. Now when we will solve this, we will get the answer is 3. Second part is we have to find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. Again you can write the polynomial px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now put the value of x is minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square plus 3. Now 5 ones are 5, that is minus 5 minus 1 square, that is positive 1, here minus 4 plus 3 minus 9 plus 3. When we will solve it, we will get the answer minus 6. Second part is now third. In third part we have to put the value of x is 2. Now polynomial again we are writing 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now p2, 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2, 10. 2 square 4, 4 4 is the 16 plus 3. 10 minus 16 minus 6 plus 3. When we will solve this, we will get the answer minus 3. Question first is completed. Second question is find p0, p1, p2 for each of the following polynomials. Now similarly as in first question we have done. Now value of y, we have to put the value of y 0, 1, 2. Now we will get 3 answers of this question. Firstly we will find p0, 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square 0, we will get answer 1. Now p1, 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 1 you can cancel here. Answer is 1. p2, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. p0 1, p1 1, p2 3. Second part is pt. Now here variable is t. So we will put the value of t 0, 1 and 2. p0, 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. These all terms will give the answer 0. So only 2 will be left. And p1, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 square 1, 1 into 2, 2 minus 1. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. p2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 square 4, 4 2 is the 8. 2 cube 8. Now positive 8 and negative 8 cancelled. Answer is 4. Third part is px is equal to x cube. Now put the value of x is 0. 0 cube 0. p1, 1 cube 1. p2, 2 cube is 8. Very easy question. Now fourth part is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now P 0. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 0 plus 1, positive 1. And minus 1 into 1, minus 1. P1. 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 into 2, 0. P2. 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 into 3, 3. Now with this part question, second is completed. Third question is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Now value of x is given to you, that is minus 1 by 3. If we put the value of x in this polynomial and we get the answer is 0, then this is the 0 of the polynomial px. Otherwise it is not 0 of the polynomial. So let us check p minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Now 3 and 3 can be cancelled out. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. When the answer is 0, then given value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial. If it is not 0, then it is not 0 of the polynomial. Second part is px is equal to 5x minus pi and x is equal to 4 by 5. Check the value of x is 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5. Now 5 and 5 cancelled out. What will be the remaining part? 4 minus pi. Now it is not equal to 0. Therefore 4 by 5 is not a 0 of px. Third part is px is equal to x square minus 1 and x is equal to 1 minus 1. Here you have to given two values of x, 1 and minus 1. P1, firstly we will check x is equal to positive 1. 1 square minus 1. 1 square 1 minus 1. Yes, this is the 0 of the polynomial. Now check value of x minus 1. Minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square positive 1 minus 1 0. So both value of x are the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore 1 minus 1 are zeros of px. Fourth part is px is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Now value of x is minus 1 and 2. Again we will check by putting the value of x in this polynomial. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 0 into something is equal to 0. So minus 1 is 0 of the given polynomial. Now we will check the value of x is equal to 2. Is it 0 of the polynomial or not? 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Now both values give us 0. Therefore, minus 1 and 2 are zeros of px. Fifth part is px is equal to x square and x is equal to 0. Very simple question. P 0, 0 square is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is 0 of px. Sixth part is px is equal to lx plus m. Here x is equal to minus m by l. Now put the value of x is minus m by l. L into minus m by l. Now l and n can be cancelled out. Minus m plus m, that is 0. Therefore, minus m by l is 0 of px. Seventh part is px is equal to 3x square minus 1 and value of x are minus 1 over root 3 and 2 over root 3. Now p minus 1 over root 3. 3 into minus 1 over root 3 square minus 1. Now separate the square of numerator and denominator. Minus 1 square over root 3 square minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 square 1 and root 3 square is 3 minus 1. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 can be cancelled out. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now p 2 over root 3. 3 into 2 over root 3 square minus 1. Again separate the square of numerator and denominator. 3 into 2 square 4, root 3 square is 3. 3 and 3 can be cancelled out. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now it is not equal to 0. Now in this question, minus 1 by root 3 is only 0 of px. 2 by root 3 is not 0 of the given polynomial. Eighth part is px is equal to 2x plus 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. p 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 can be cancelled out. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, not equal to 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 is not a 0 of given polynomial, that is px. With this part, question second is completed. Third question is completed. Now fourth question is find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following case. First part is px is equal to x plus 5. Now here no value of x is given to you. We have to find the value of x by keeping the px is equal to 0. When we have to find the 0 of the polynomial, always put the value of polynomial is equal to 0. Now x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 5. Now x is equal to minus 5 is 0 of the given polynomial. Second part is px is equal to x minus 5. Again put value of px is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. Now third question is px is equal to 2x plus 5. Px is equal to 0. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Firstly, shift plus 5 to right hand side, that is minus 5. Now 2 is multiplied here and in right hand side it will be divided. Now x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is 0 of the given polynomial. Fourth part is px is equal to 3x minus 2. Px is equal to 0. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2, it will be positive 2 on the right hand side. X is equal to 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 is the polynomial of 0 of the given polynomial. Fifth part is px is equal to 3x. Px is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 over 3. 0 over something is equal to 0. Now 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Sixth part is px is equal to ax and a is not equal to 0. Now px is equal to 0, ax is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 over a. A is not equal to 0 means a is any other number, 0 over 1, 2, 3. So 0 over any number is equal to 0. Again x is equal to 0 is the 0 of px. Now last seventh part is px is equal to cx plus d. C is not equal to 0. C and D are real numbers. Now px is equal to 0, cx plus d is equal to 0, plus d becomes minus d on right hand side, x is equal to minus d over c. Now d and c are any real numbers, so minus d over c is 0 of the polynomial px cx plus d. With this question, this exercise is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos.